Okay, so I feel like it's been a while, like, since I've vlogged, but I'm happy that I'm doing it again. So what day is it? The 19th. I got my shot yesterday. Actually, wait, yeah, it's the 19th. It's like, it's gonna be 1 right now. I got my shot yesterday at 12. Why am I saying at 12? I don't freaking know. No, it wasn't 12. It was like at 1 or 2. My first shot. And my arm is freaking like sore. Like, I couldn't sleep. I kept on waking up because I just woke up like from the soreness. Like, I couldn't freaking sleep. And it hurts. Like, I can't lift anything like heavy or anything. So yeah, that sucks. I wanted to go to the gym today, but no, I didn't even sleep well. My freaking arm hurts. Yeah, I mean, you can't really see anything. There's like nothing on my arm, but it's freaking sore. But yeah, I got ready because we're gonna go, me and my mom are gonna go do something important. So that's fun. It's been so long since I've like done my makeup and my hair, because most of the time when I go to work, it's just like I might like do my mascara or something and I have my hair back and that's it. So I was like, you know what, today I'm gonna do my makeup. It looks cute. Anyways. Oh, don't say anything. I'm recording. Or you think it's just like normal? The sun is out. I don't feel good. I feel weird. It's not even like I feel bad, it's just I feel weird. My arm hurts. And oh my gosh, no. And I feel weird. So this is my outfit. Jeans. I got these at Ross. And then I got these huaraches on Etsy. They're cute, but they don't really fit me. They're like too loose. But yeah. Like two with the freak, like 5 months ago. I think it was on December. I made a video, a mukbang, on like, I was eating, I'm pretty sure it was like a sandwich, like I freaking forgot, but it had chicken. It was like really good, and it's from here, from Sizzler. It was so bomb. Like, I didn't expect it. I didn't expect it to be that good. Because honestly, I don't really like the buffet. I mean, I like it, but it's not like the most amazing thing. When I got that sandwich, that was so bomb. So bomb. And even the fries were bomb. Pero yeah. Okay, so we just went to Walmart. I got, because I want to start baking more. I'm gonna make a coconut, not a cake, it would be a cake, but they're gonna be cupcakes. So I'm excited. It's gonna be my first time making coconut flavored cupcakes or muffins. Cupcakes, huh? If it's gonna have icing, it's a cupcake. But yeah, it's exciting. I don't know if I'm gonna make them tomorrow. Probably tomorrow. I want to take only a few tomorrow for my coworkers, because last week I made some chocolate ones and I wanted everyone to try some.
Do they like coconut flavor?
I don't know, and I don't care.
Okay.
Who the heck doesn't like coconut? What the heck?
Hay gente que no le gusta.
Okay, well, they don't have to eat it, honestly.
Okay, lo vas a llevar nomás para que vean.
I'm pretty sure most people like coconut, man. And if they don't, pues ni modo. I'm not there to freaking satisfy their cravings.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm gonna try making this. Hopefully it's good. And yeah, I took some chocolate cupcakes. They're vegan. And I took them last week. And everyone was like, oh my gosh, it's so good. Because it's crazy, because it's like, when you think of chocolate, you think of milk, you know? And it's like, I told them,
when you think of chocolate, you think of milk?
Yeah, unless you're thinking of super dark chocolate that tastes super bitter, you know? Like, so when people try my cupcakes, they're like, oh my gosh, this is vegan? Like, yes, it's vegan. It's freaking bomb. But yeah, they loved it. And there was a coworker who was like, oh, how much does she sell them for? And I was like, stop. But yeah. So we just got our wings. Should I show it? No, I'll show it later. And we're gonna get tacos too, because my mom, I don't know what's wrong with her. She's craving different stuff. Pero yeah.
¿No quieres un agua?
No, I just want to drink water, honestly. Or what type of agua?
No sé, por preguntar qué agua fresca tiene.
They have cheesecake and flan.
¿Tú cómo te sientes bien?
Better than earlier. This is my arm.
No, but like you don't feel like weird.
No, I don't feel. Me and what's her name?
Buda.
What?
Buda.
Buda. That would be a nice picture, like right here. I want her sitting though. Okay, yeah, I can't run. I can't make my mom run. I can't run and
No.
Aww, pobrecita. Good dog. That's what you get.
It's hard to sit.
Wait, let me finish. Sit. Sit.
Ay, qué hermoso.
I don't think I recorded that. ¿No tienen de agua? ¿De cuáles tienen de agua?
Too much water, huh?